News reaching my desk is that the man who beat up Morgan Tsvangirai during the time of 2007, the dreadful day in the history of opposition, whereby a man called Tundurai Ndira was shot. Behind that was this man called Jimmy Kunaka. And you do not have to take my word for it. He is the one who confessed at the Motlanthe Commission that he was being sent by the late Robert Mugabe to go and fight the opposition. He was not a policeman, but he is seen wearing a police uniform. So there has been a report that he is missing in action, or he has been gone missing. Also to note, Jimmy Kunaka was one of the people that was saying they are formulating another ZANU-PF, and the president, Idi Mnangagwa, was there as a president illegally, and his one was backing Sibeth Msengezi. Not only that, he is also one of the people that was behind this chant that we want to see VP Chiwenga becoming the president. And he was saying that VP Chiwenga wanted to take over before 2023. So he was supposed to be elected as the president of ZANU-PF party. So he is missing in action. We don't know what is happening with him. This is the news that we have received, and we are still monitoring those news, or maybe he is going to come out and speak openly that he is back. But this is a rumor that is going on.